All right, so I'm gonna work on the API. I will create students here. So far, I got the get for all the students here, router.get for all students, and for a specific student. And now I'm going to create a post route here. That's actually going to be here, students. That's it. And this will be an async callback, and I'm gonna do that to create students to the database. So I'm gonna use a try catch statement, and I'm going to get, actually I don't need the front end, so I'm just gonna work on the back end here. Let me close everything here. I want to get distracted, go back to here, and what I'm gonna do is get the students post, and that's going to be from the request, the requested body, the body of the request actually, and I'm going to test that. Okay, let's just console log the errors if there are errors over here, and just for now let's just send the response of students over here, which is going to be an array of students. This is going to be an array, so it's just an array of students, and I'm just going to create that endpoint here. That's going to be a new request called create students, and it's just being generated. That's gonna go here to the students endpoint, and it's gonna have a body. The body is going to be students. What are the students that I want to create? That's gonna be a an array. Okay, so let's see what just happened here. Students, that happened with the format. Yeah, let's just format that. Students. Yeah, just test this out. Let's just say Juan and Sophia are gonna be two students of mine. Yeah, let's just format it like this. And all I want to see is I want this I want that response to be actually the data that I'm sending, just to check my endpoint, right? Let's see. Oh, actually, okay, this is not get. This is a post request. There you go. So I can see the same thing over here. So I need to insert one student one by one. I want to insert it to the database, and I don't want to do any validation yet. I just want it to work, and later on I'll work on validation and validate for different characters and other things that I have to validate. So the data is not corrupted. Data that I receive is not corrupted. Okay, so for each student, I gotta do something. I have to I'm sorry, I have to insert each student to the database. That's what I have to do. And I know I should do that with a promise and promise that all, but I don't remember exactly how to do that, so I'm gonna need some help. And actually, I can just look at the last project that I was working on. This is the old project of the home row map as well, and I can get some help from here because I actually built this and I want to improve it, make it better. Create students. Oh, there you go. So I don't need to make any promises. All I have to do is do a try catch statement with a for loop, and that'll do it. So this is some validation that I did for my previous project. So I can actually do this. Let's just let's just try it on. Okay, so I have students here, so I can say for, and I'm gonna make a variable here for const student of students. Just for testing purposes, I just want to console log the student, and I'm going to be able to see that here in the backend. So let's just do that, and I'm gonna be seeing here. I'm gonna be seeing the different students, Juan and Sophia, twice. because I didn't console log each student. So first Sophia and then Juan. All right, so it works, and I'm gonna continue building this in the next video.